Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Okay. This question is a non-calculator question around the grade 3, maybe pushing into 4. Have a good read through, hit pause and press play when you're ready to see the solution. So there are a couple of ways that you can actually do this question. An alternative way I have done at the end. For the main talk through, you can see I'm setting up a two-way table. I've got girls and boys in the problem, and then we're either walking, cycling, or getting the bus to school. Now you want your two-way table to have totals, so you add those on as well. Just make sure all your lines are sort of long enough and it's an easy to use grid. And then you start putting in the information. There are 40 students, 22 of which are girls. You can, at this stage, work out the boys, or you can just keep going with all the information, which is what I'm going to do. So we've got 9 girls that are walking, 7 boys cycling, and then 6 out of 10 students that get the bus are boys. So I can put 6 where the boys are and 10 in the total. Now, I need to have just one gap. So in my total column, I have one gap. Whereas in my girls' row and in my boys row and even in the total row, I have 2 gaps. So I can't go there and start trying to solve those. So I'll go back to the total. 40 take 22 is 18. And I've also got 1 in the boys, and 4 plus 6 is 10. I'm now going to work out the boys. 7 plus 6 is 13. 18 take away the 13 leaves me 5. So I've got 5 boys that walk. And then for girls, we already know a 9, add those and you've got 14. Now you can go on and completely complete the table if you so wish, but if you have clocked that we're only trying to find the number of students that walk, then you could have just done that straight off and not fully finished it. So the answer is 14. This was the alternative, which is a frequency tree, and it will get you the exact same answer. Okay, if you like what we're doing, please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll have more coming out tomorrow and every day. I look forward to helping you and supporting you with your revision ahead of these big exams.